Today, we are going to be discussing the Burlington's IELTS Academic Volume 1, Practice Test 1, the Writing Task 1. The charts below present information about electricity generated using a renewable and non-renewable energy in the United States in 2009 and 2019. This task can be written in 4 paras. In the introduction, describe the task. In feature para 1, report electricity generation by non-renewables. In feature para 2, report electricity generation by renewables. And in the overview, make major comparisons. The following slides will show how this task can be written. Now in the introduction, describe the task. The 2 bar graphs report the quantity of electricity that was generated from various sources of energy for the years 2009 and 2019 in America. In feature para 1, report the electricity generation by non-renewables. With regards to 2009, most of the electricity, that was 1756 billion kilowatt hours, was generated from coal, while the least, that was 57 billion kilowatt hours, was produced using petroleum. Moreover, in 2019, the most and the least used energy sources were natural gas and petroleum at 1582 and 40 billion kilowatt hours respectively. Now in feature para 2, report the electricity generation by renewables. Now in 2009, the renewable source of energy that was used the most for energy generation was hydroelectric energy at 273 billion kilowatt hours, while the least was solar energy at 1 billion kilowatt hours. And lastly, in 2019, wind energy generated the most energy, that is 300 billion kilowatt hours, and geothermal energy contributed towards the least amount of power generated, which was at 16 billion kilowatt hours. And finally, in the overview, make major comparisons. Overall, across all the sources of energy that were used to produce electricity in America in 2009 and 2019, coal and natural gas were the most consumed, while renewable sources such as solar and geothermal energy were the least consumed.